Welcome to your favorite channel. Today we are going to talk about the 10 reasons why you need to invest in real estate. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click the bell button for more updates. Real estate is property consisting of land and the buildings on it, along with its natural resources such as crops, minerals, or water, and interest vested in this an item of real property, buildings, or housing in general. So in this video, we are going to explain most of the benefits and reasons why you need to invest in real estate. You can't afford to miss any, so watch and enjoy to the end.
Number 1, you can generate passive income. By investing in real estate, you can generate passive income that is nearly tax-free. Your rental properties will work for you even when you are sleeping. By buying several rental properties that generate enough income to cover your expenses, you have the freedom to do what you enjoy instead of spending all of your time at work. Number 2, owning property generates wealth. Everyone should own at least one house or a piece of property. One of the many benefits of investing in real estate is being able to generate wealth through appreciation, building equity, and hedging against inflation. It can also provide cash flow with passive income from rental properties. These are the reasons why real estate should be a key component of your investment portfolio. Number 3, it can provide cash flow for retirement. Real estate investing, when done right, is a stable way to increase wealth over a period of time. Among the many benefits of real estate investing is that it can provide cash flow for retirement. This means it can help supplement your retirement years with income from your rental properties. Number 4, real estate can be a stable investment with ongoing income. Unlike stock market investments, real estate investment does not wildly fluctuate on a daily basis. It is a stable investment that provides you with an income. You simply collect your ongoing income, known as cash-on-cash return, on a periodic basis and hope to sell when the price appreciates substantially and the market is high. Of course, the market isn't the same in every city, so opportunities to buy and sell can vary substantially across the country. Many people compare real estate investing to bond investing because real estate provides stable cash flow for the owner. However, bonds are more sensitive to market fluctuations. Real estate properties won't immediately change in price based on capital contributions or because of political volatility. This makes real estate a safe and stable investment. Number 5, real estate investing is a hedge against inflation. While most people fear inflation, this is not the case with real estate investors. Investing in properties is an excellent hedge against inflation. As the price level goes up, so does the rental income you get from your property and your investment's value. This means that real estate investors are protected against both the immediate and the long-term effects of inflation. Although this might not be the first benefit of real estate investing that comes to mind, you should take it into consideration because for real estate investors, an increase in the cost of living is associated with a growth in their cash flow. The average annual real estate appreciation rate nationwide has been nearly 6% in recent decades, while the inflation rate rarely reaches 4%. Number 6, you build equity in your real estate investments. One of the advantages of investing in real estate is being able to build equity. Equity is an asset that is part of your net worth. As you pay off your mortgage, you build equity. As you build equity, you now have leverage to acquire additional rental properties and increase your cash flow. Number 7, investing in real estate benefits the community. While most investors focus on the ROI, the CAP rate, the cash flow, and other financial indicators, a huge and unquantified benefit of real estate investing is the impact on the community. Responsible real estate investors improve the communities by improving available housing, maintaining properties, and increasing the local tax revenues. This directly impacts the communities and improves the lives of people living there. By buying and repairing a dilapidated home, one not only removes an eyesore but also improves the self-esteem of the residents living around the home. In a world where investors are associated with unchecked greed, the mom-and-pop real estate investors are a bright spot who change things for the better. Number 8, it can be passed down through generations. Real estate is a tangible investment. It is one of the easiest asset forms to pass down from generation to generation. Many people like the fact that they can leave their property in their will for their children, and in some cases defer some of the taxes. Number 9, investing in real estate helps mitigate risk. One of the greatest benefits of having real estate in one's investment portfolio is for mitigating risk. Sure, having a calculated income month over month is an outstanding benefit, but having insulation against higher risk investments like stock is often important. Having the right blend of real estate in one's portfolio can offer just enough diversification to help offset exposure by not hyper-focusing on one single investment profile. Number 10, the value of real estate appreciates well over time. Industrial real estate has been a very attractive investment for many individuals and institutional investors. Recently, the amount of capital chasing the ownership of industrial real estate has substantially increased. Values are increasing for two reasons. The first is that rental rates are continuing to rise because of the demand for these facilities and increasing construction costs. Secondly, with the number of investors bidding on industrial real estate investments, the cap rate or yield is continuing to compress, which is increasing values. This is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click the bell button to keep you updated on our future videos.